Welcome to the INTair 2026 Interventional Pulmonology Advanced Skills Conference. I invite the head of our department, Dr. Srivatsa Lokeshwaran.
So this conference, we believe, is going to be more than an academic meeting. It is our shared commitment to improve the quality of life of millions of patients who suffer through this agonizing disease called lung cancer. And here at Fortis, that we have put together a world-class team to help us diagnose these lung cancers early.
For the formal inauguration of INTair 2026. Officially launched the Lung Nodule Clinic.
India has taken big strides in trying to cover people in the way their health is taken care of. The more aware people, I think, will start using these in the rest of people get the diagnosis early and get treated early. And what's interesting about this conference is that, he's safely titled this as the first conference.
This is a wonderful conference next 2 days, and I'm sure, every one of us will learn what is the latest in lung nodule diagnosis, treatment, what we have learned from here, and what we are going to do in the future.
This is something innovative what you have started off, lung nodule clinic. I think so. This is the first time in Bangalore and this state. Nice innovation to start off. Thank Dr. Srivatsa and the whole team of Fortis.
Welcome back to day 2 of INTair 2026.